Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you create better life habits. Lost habits. You may have had a good habit, maybe even for a long time, and though it was good for you, you stopped doing it. Something happened that led to you dropping the habit. How do you get it back? Recommit. Don't just say, I'll get back to it, or I wish I was doing that again. Draw a line in the sand. If you want to run a mile but can't find the motivation, have a friend drive you a mile from your house and kick you out of the car. Burn the bridge back to that unproductive behaviour and recommit to your own personal Rubicon. A beginner's mind. When restarting a habit, start like it's your first time. If 10 years ago you meditated for 3 hours a day every day, jumping right back into that 3-hour-a-day schedule is likely to be overwhelming. This can lead to early burnout and quitting before you have a chance to get back into the routine. Pretend like you're a novice again and meditate for 10 or 15 minutes every day instead. Over time, ramp it back up until you're back into your old routine without the feeling of being overwhelmed. Do this as many times as it takes. If you miss a day, get right back on that horse and try again or do again. Making a mistake isn't failing. It's quitting after making a mistake that's the real problem. Every time you're not perfect, and who's perfect all the time, move past and keep going. Be patient and kind to yourself, and you'll be much more likely to succeed. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website organisetoexcel.com.